What's new, pussycat? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa. Pussycat, pussycat, I love you. Yes, I do. You and your pussycat knows.
Look at this nice crack. If you can see it, but it comes here, chip point here, here, and it comes up there. What are you doing, Storm? Hi, Booger. Set the box down. And Tars made himself comfortable at his post. Ouch. Oh. Hey there, Katt here. May 2nd. It is 6 o'clock on May 2nd. It still says it's 91 degrees outside. Nice breeze going right now. My neighbors, Tim and family from CR View, they went ahead and left. Roy and Becky are still over that way. Ooh. But I got another package today. I'm not camera worthy, so I won't show you my face, but did get a package today, and I wanted to show you what it is. I will be going into the RV park. Plan is to go tomorrow, May 3rd, and this is an item I needed, and I want to show you what I got. Hold on a sec. This is the packing it came, and it says lighter than our smallest box. So, hold on. I expected that harder to open, but it wasn't. Resealable bag before return. Oh, save for returns. So don't want to cut the bag up just in case. Hold on. Okay, so I wanted to show you what I got today. That it's recommended everybody has some sort of protection. What this is, as it says, an RV circuit analyzer with surge protection. So what this is, the brand is Latch.It. This, when you go to an RV park, and especially older ones, and you go to plug in your trailer, your RV, into the power source, if you don't have an animal like this, you risk power surges, or if there's a storm and there's a power surge or whatever, then it can ruin. Vanna White is on the job here. Then it can ruin, cause problems with your RV. So the lady really stressed it this time going in. So I wanted to make sure. I've been meaning to get one. And I like how this is packed. Very sturdy. Of course, it has Latch.It being the name. And in the picture you see this little loop. It comes with its own little Latch.It cord. I'm going to explain that. But of course it's got the book. Hold on, let me unplug this. Okay. So it came packed and it was plugged into itself. So what you see here is the circuit analyzer. And it's got LED lights. So this end goes into your power source at the pedestal in an RV park, state park, whatever your power source is, you plug this in. And it has its checks. Open ground, and it gives you, I can't talk, I'm sorry, and brain freeze. Anyways, it gives you the things that could potentially be wrong with your power source. And you pay attention when you plug it in. It's got a light that shows that it's on. And then, of course, you pay attention to these to see if you have any of these problems. And then this part is the part that you plug your RV into. And what I really liked about this, Chunky had, knowing I wanted to go as inexpensive as possible, had sent me one, but it was just a single plug. You plug it in, and then you plug your RV in, but it had no handle. And as I mentioned with when I replaced the cord, that was the last video, I liked having the handle because I've got grip issues. So I like the fact that this has got its handle. You plug it in, and then this, when you plug your RV into it, it also has a handle. So in this case, I'd have one handle pulling one way and one handle pulling the other. So you plug your RV into this, it runs its checks, and then you plug this in first, let it run its checks, and then you know that the circuit is good for your RV. And Latch.It, it has this attached to it, and it comes with the little tether, and you put a lock on it. So when it's plugged in, you put this in and you go around your pedestal or whatever it is, and you can actually put a lock on this, because this puppy wasn't cheap. I'll have to go back and see how much I paid for it, because it's weatherproof and it's sturdy and all that. But I don't suspect that I'd have issues with the place I'm going, but you just never know. Again, locks help keep honest people honest. So, but I liked the idea of being able to, have a tether and put a lock and potentially save myself some money. So this is going to be the end of this, because I can't show you how it works until I'm at the pedestal and ready to plug in. So I will do another video and add it to that. But as I said, I tweaked my back, and where I've been working prepping to go to the RV park, I'm not camera worthy at the moment. So but I'll leave you with Mr. Sunny here, and we will catch you tomorrow when we make our big move to the RV park for the so that I can plug in and use the AC. I got the generator running right now, and I've got the AC on in my bedroom, but plugging in at the park, I can run the other portable as well and have some air in here when I want it. Warm kitties. But we'll say goodnight and hugs from Quartzsite. You gonna say hi like you normally do? Bye. It's not bye. We'll see you down the road. Hugs from Quartzsite. More thing. What is this? Aha. Hold on. Aha. It even came with the little keys. It even came with a little lock for it. Pretty cool. so I don't have to hunt it, because I was thinking I was going to have to hunt up a lock for it, but it come with its own. Pretty neat. And there's the company, Latch.It. Alrighty. Hikes from Quartzsite and the weather boys. Hey there. Hold on, hold on. Okay. June 4th. Showed you the temp. I'm adding this. Oh, that step is hot. Most definitely need these carpet things, because these metal steps burn you right up. I just leaned up against it. But I'm not going to do big outdoor for anything other than what I'm going to show you so I can add it to an earlier video. My AC is plugged into, so my plug is holding up good. The pedestal's a 30 amp, but it's only a single. So I've got, I forget what Chunky called it, the dog bone. So you plug it into the 30 amp, and I get 2 plugs. So the trailer with my new plug is plugged into that. The second plug, I've got the AC that's running my bedroom. But what I'm showing you is an add-on to video I'm getting ready to do. The 110 plug, can't see that I'm pointing to, doesn't work. So the manager is allowing me to run my extension cord over to this pedestal so I can run the other AC. The pool noodles are sliced down the middle to help keep the sun from beating on the electrical cords, as we do the same thing with the pool noodle for the water hose. But what I wanted to show you is there's that plug. No bad lights going off. It came with the little lock and its own little tether. But just wanted to show you there's no problems. Today is June 4th, like I said. Let me switch the camera around. Maybe. Guess I gotta do in this. Hold on. Oh, maybe I'm hitting the wrong thing. I'm taking pictures. Whoops. Okay, I was hitting the wrong button. Whew. Can you see Chunky's trailer? I can't see with the light in my eye. Chunky's trailer, let me turn around again. There's Chunky's trailer. Did a walk around with him on video this morning. So I'm able to keep an eye on it. Phew. So, as I said, June 4th, I forget what time in the afternoon, but I wanted to add that because I didn't do an update on that surge plug thing. It's doing wonderful. I haven't had any alerts as to it having any surges in the park, and so far so good. So far I can recommend that product, and I will add this little tidbit to that video. I'll be doing a more updated one and talk about the park I'm in and whatnot, but hikes from Quartzsite. Just wanted to add, I came in after doing that, and no wonder why I couldn't see lights on it, because normally the lights should say everything's okay. Didn't notice that. It's 105 outside, 102 in the trailer, and I come back in and the power's out. So we'll see how long, because it was just on when I went out the door to do everything. So we'll see how long everything goes. Check in with you later. Okay, 401, power's back on. But here I wanted to show you that it's on. Finally. See what the temp is now. It says it's 110, but 103 in here. Hope that don't happen again, but it will. It's Quartzsite. Say bye to everybody. Say bye.